Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to download iCloud Photos to iPhone. If your iPhone storage was full and you've just got a new device, if you want to get all of your photos and videos back from iCloud, this is how to do it. The first method is using iCloud Photos. Open Settings on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on Photos. Enable iCloud Photos and select Download and Keep Originals. This will automatically start downloading all of your iCloud photos and videos to the Photos app on your iPhone. Just a tip, depending on your internet speed and photo library size, it might take some time, so don't have to wait, just let it sync in the background. The second method is to use an iCloud backup. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, then erase all content in Settings. Once your iPhone restarts, set it up again, and when you reach App and Data screen, choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Sign in with your Apple ID, select your latest backup, and your iPhone will begin restoring, including all your photos and videos. But just know that this method erases everything currently on your iPhone before restoring, so make sure to back up anything important first. And that's it guys, as simple as that. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.